Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're diving into the history, features and value of a special coin, the Germany €2 2004 coin. So let's get started video. The Germany €2 2004 coin is part of the euro currency system and features a specific design related to Germany's contributions within the Eurozone. Country, Germany. Year of issue, 2004. Value, 2 euros. Diameter, 25.75 millimeter. Weight, 8.5 grams. Composition, bimetallic. Inner part is nickel brass. Outer part is copper nickel. Edge, reeded with lettering. Design theme. The 2004 coin typically does not feature any special commemorative design. It follows the standard euro design with the German eagle on the national side and the map of Europe on the common side. The €2 coin, €2, is a circulating bimetallic coin made of two alloys, the inner part of nickel brass, the outer part of copper nickel. Like all the common circulation coins from 1 cent to €2, the denomination is issued by the separate countries in the Eurozone, and is legal tender in all of them irrespective of which country has issued it. The denomination was introduced in 2002, when Germany retired the German mark currency and introduced the euro. The coins have a common reverse, designed by Luc Louix in 1999, which shows a map of the European Union. It was changed in 2007 to reflect the enlargement of the Union. Each country has its own national obverse. The German obverse was designed by the family duo of designers Heinz Hoyer and Snezcana Rasua Hoyer. It features an interpretation of the German federal eagle, the Bundesadler, German for federal eagle, formerly known as Reichsadler, German for imperial eagle, a symbol of German sovereignty. The year and mint mark are shown below the eagle. Germany has 5 mint striking circulation coins, which have an arrangement whereby each mint strikes a specific proportion of the circulation coins every year. The edge lettering on German €2 coins reads Einigkeit und Recht und Freiheit, unity and justice and freedom. Germany's national motto and the beginning of Germany's national anthem. Followed by the federal eagle. German €2 coins issued in 2004 have now been in circulation for 20 years. The reverse of the coin shows on the right a representation of a map of the member states of the European Union as of the time the coin was issued. Behind the map and interrupted by it, 6 vertical lines connect the 12 stars of Europe, 6 around above right, and 6 around below right. On the left, a large numeral value, 2, on the right, overlaid on the map. The denomination euro, the designer's monogram, LL, for Luc Louix, is below right in the rim. Below the O in euro, reverse inscription €2 edge milled. Inscribed edge inscription Einigkeit und Recht und Freiheit. Below the eagle is the date of issue, 2004. Below right, a small letter represents the mint mark of the issuing mint. Please subscribe my channel.